Sylvia. Siri.
Wanje. Marako mirembe nze.
Bannange tunaalya oba tetuulye?
Ate kati senga aliwo ssente.
Ha?
Nsunaba ku ssente zikulabi.
Eje emyaka gyo tusobola kubeera mu yadde omutwalo.
Nanze senga nako okunnangira wakulusooka ani yabaliisa. Oza werabidde 10 lyange lye najjayo. Ate 10 lyalina lyakuzzaayo baana ku ssomero. Akaseera kaakano nnina okuzza abaana ku ssomero tewali ssente. Kyokka nsuubiza olinsasula era limpe.
Owaayi, mama Nakitende talina ku ssente atuwole.
Talina. Oyo munaku. Noonya abantu bakuyamba ng'oleeta mama Nakitende.
Naye nze ndowooza bannaye mbabuulire. Ogenda kuddayo ewammwe. Nze kuva lwe mwajja ssente zambula. Munna.
Senga ogambye ki?
Ogenda kuddayo ewammwe. Kale nze ssente zimbuze nze ngenda kukola ki? Nkedde kumanya sina yadde ekyokulya. Yadde ekyokunywa. Nkebedde ensawo yonna temuli yadde. Ha?
Sisobola kudda kakuuto.
Wangi?
Sisobola kuddayo eyo. Sisobola.
Kale nze ssente ngenda zijjawa.
Jangu senga. Jangu. Jangu. Senga jangu naawe. Jangu nkusomere mu ddiiru. Bw'oba oyita ssente za school fees, ssente za buli kimu tuba tuzifunye.
Nenge ekutuka.
Ekutuka. Ojjukira oli omuzungu oli. Omujjukira.
Muzungu.
Waliwo omuzungu omutono. Yakomyewo ku kyalo.
Munzijukize.
Kale Tomu yamuganzaako.
Ono yali wano mu luggya?
Yakomyewo. Maama amafuta gawunya kwoli. Amafuta gawunya kwoli. Ag'ennyonyi agattadooba.
Kati awo ssente ne zivaawa.
Omanyi bwe bagenda ey'ebweru aba agenze kusikayo eri wa taata waabwe. Wa taata we agenda n'asikayokko ku bisawo bya ssente n'aleeta eno n'aspendinga. Kati ffe tumwesooka nga yakajja. Abata n'aspendinga nnyo amaaso amabi ag'abalaba be gaba tegannamulaba. Kati nze nfunyemu ekirowoozo. Tumuyingize mu bakyala b'eziroobwe tukoleyo awo ekibiina awo ekyamangu eky'abakyala b'eziroobwe tumuyingize. Olunaku abeere ng'atuwa akakadde. Okitegeera? Olunaku kakadde. Asobola yakajja. Muzungu. Ate oli mwerabidde. Piwa.
Ava mu nsi ki? Nenga so ssente wazirabyeko ng'azirina.
Azirabika.
No wazirabyeko ng'azirina.
Azirabika. Ennyambala yokka. Engeri gy'ayambala.
Awunya atya?
Awunya bulungi senga. Alina ssente. Kati olaba ffe tusobola ogira neno ne tugamba ne tuyita badonzera bonna ne tutuula. Ffe badoni tetubagamba kintu kyaffe. Tetukibayingizaamu. Tubagamba ekibiina ky'abakyala b'eziroobwe biki.
Doni mugezi. Tufune osooka omufuna omuleete.
Yeyeka. Kati olaba anti kati ajja kwagala okumanya tufuna buli ddi tukola kati tumugambe tufuna buli wiiki. Buli Sande. Ziba milioni 7. Feto anti kati bwatuwa Monday paka Sunday milioni 7. Kati soko. Sengesi sente zitumala okubako kete wetandikire nawe tudduka ku kyalo. Wiikemu milioni 7. 3 kitundu.
Tekaba kawato.
Nzalese. Ate nkuyambe n'okuyamba gaye tukole ekiwato sebo oganyi. Nedda nnyabo manda nedda. Zino ziri kwa laali. Ziri kwa
Omuzungu obadde ogamba.
Keeko. Alo, Muzungu. You. Yes, you.
I don't like being called Muzungu.
Now what is your name, my sweet girl?
Why couldn't you start with that question?
Auntie, you come and sit.
My name is Star, Fire Star.
Come and sit here.
Hey. Atule wakati tumusike.
You sit in the middle. Tumufumbe bulungi. Sit in the middle. Our sweet girl. Very smart. I like the shoe.
Thank you.
You smell very well.
I do.
As if it is uneaten. Ati mugambya awunya bulungi alinga kyakulya. Nawe kolako.
Maybe perfume.
That is very good.
Oli otya?
Bulungi. I said it wrong. Did I say it wrong?
Sirivi. Zinavaayo zino.
Mama, did I say it wrong? Are you okay?
Okay. Senga wakolizitira migwa banange. Omuntu yajja wano eno kati yavaamu. Of course wobeere wantu wonna wona ekintu kyosooka okumanya babuuza batya kwakoma akutajjukira nti no wano eno ogundi ye yakamuyigiriza Tom kwakoma kati sorry. I was just having a beautiful moment. I'm a very happy person in life because I have no stress, I have no responsibilities. Even the ones that I have, I can sort them because we are aware of. I'm from a very good family.
Okay.
My aunt there works in a government.
I'm the one
government. But of course, wait, let me tell you about myself.
But is she not the one?
Is
No.
he planning? Is he
Explaining. Yes, about myself. Let me tell you.
But are you not the one who stole my phone? Just, you said you're from a wealthy family.
Yes.
But that other day, when I was trying to borrow some charcoal,
memory.
you asked me for money. You asked me for my phone.
Let's first wait. You see, here in Africa, we take things. Tewali.
Njagala tutuke ku sente.
Ingenda kugira. Okay. Here in Africa, we take things slowly, and you don't bring past in present. Yes.
But
Past
still,
is
I'm
past.
trying to make sense of it because if you are from...
Don't stress yourself. You see this color, don't stress it. The skin, don't stress yourself. Don't think
But
about
there's no
that.
difference between this and this.
No, yes, there is no difference, but don't stress it. You see, even me, I don't stress myself. Past is past.
Muzungu.
So,
Please, I don't like being called Muzungu.
you said your name was what?
Firestar.
Yani.
Firestar.
Star.
Fire sitter.
Sita, we have a classroom.
No, Senga.
Classroom.
Ekibiina.
You want me to teach?
No.
Ekibiina.
Saving group. Yes,
Saving group, okay.
Yes. So, me and my auntie, like I told you, she works in government.
Okay.
So they told her to look for a myog. For abakyala beziro, we like, okay, we do a meet.
Munnyonnyola munnyonnyole nange.
Kati ogenda munnyonnyola kisenga, munnyonnyole wuuyo.
We have a classroom.
A savings group.
Okay.
We have so many chala.
No, like women.
So when she says classroom, she means saving group.
Yes.
When she says chala, she means women.
Yes, women. Bakyala
So we
beziro
have
okay, the government told her to look for women in the group.
Njagala obyogera.
Kati olala ojja manya nti nina omugaso mu makamu.
Kati byogere mpulira naye wano bigaanira wano.
That's funny.
You know, I was going somewhere.
Hey, it's okay. So the government told her to look for women. We start saving money because when the government sees growth in that group,
Put money
yes,
in the classroom.
in the savings group.
Government say open classrooms. We put for you money.
We put money for
Money
growth.
in a
Yes,
saving group.
yes.
Then
Okay, you're supposed.
saving group,
Yes.
it will grow money.
Yes, so we've been going door to door looking for people who are interested. And today we were about to set off to go door to door because we've done that for 3 days so far.
And how many?
So we are like 20. We are like
But
20.
I think I can also save, not so.
Yes.
Yes, it can
Actually,
also
that's
help
the
me.
reason why we called
Oh.
Mutuse Waluma.
Agambye atya?
Agambye nange ndi mwali mu kintu. Agambye akyagadde.
You love the classroom. You love the classroom.
I love Tom.
Oba yakaloze bulozi.
I love Tom.
So, when we save that
Ekibiina
money,
ky'akyagala, ekibiina ky'akyagala.
yes, Yeah, Agambi. So we save that money. When the government sees growth in us, it will give us, like, you're going to be saving 1M a day. So, wait. That is very small.
Kakadi.
According to what you're going
Yogede kakadi.
Kazei. According to what you're going to be getting every Sunday, you're going to get 60 million.
So if I save 1 million a day,
Yes.
it will return me 60
Instead
million.
of getting musamvu,
What's musamvu?
when you 7,
Eh.
instead of getting 7 million.
Yeah.
Yes.
When you enter the classroom,
She means saving room.
when you enter the classroom, you give us money.
Yes.
You give us 1 million
Me.
every day.
Me.
Yes. Now, when you give us 1 million, when sekukuru like Sunday,
Yes, on
weekend
you get
you get
60
million in Kaga.
sigala
But
kwecho.
I think
When you give us 1 million every day, weekend get 60 million.
Yes.
Because the government is coming.
And it wants us to grow. The government wants to grow as we grow. And it is targeting women.
so. Where do they put the 7 million each week to make it 60 million? How do they?
Don't mind about it. That is government's work.
But you know, I have a friend in the government. I think I can call him and confirm everything.
Senga yagala kubira mukwano gwe mu government.
Echi?
Mba yagala kubira mukwano gwe mu government.
Just bring my phone. I call them. Just bring my phone. You know that phone? You know that phone you took from me the other day?
I say the past should remain in past. What happens in England should remain in England. It shouldn't cross.
So money should remain in England? I come here without anything. So I leave the phone in the past, but I bring the money to the present.
Exactly, because it's the government that wants to use your money.
The government wants the money, present money.
It's like they're investing with money.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes. Because the money used Obote is not money used Museveni.
Museveni?
Yes. Government eyagala sente za kakati. Sente zibakosa ku Obote. Size ezikola ne kakati.
We want present money.
Now, who's putting the 1 million a day?
You. Because for us, we've started saving. Actually, we started yesterday, so if you're to pay, you're supposed to pay 2 million. The one for yesterday.
No, but you said you've started saving. That means yes.
And for you, because you look like an investor, for you, the government can even give you the kawumbi.
But by the way, do they allow foreigners to take part in the scheme?
They allow.
Are you sure?
Of course they allow. You're most welcome in this group.
Thank you, sister. But aside from that, I'm asking myself, you know, Tom is just doing some small works. In fact, he's relying on me to try to, beg little, the choco, the food, the what. So where will I get this 1 million from?
Senga na owulira ono naye byali mu stories alimu. Mbu sente agenda kuzijjawa.
Mbadde ngezaako bitegeera. Kyabadabuza?
Mbu sente agenda zijjawa mbu Tom amutunuulidde. Kale kakamusimbye edda oluseke.
You see, money. Bazungu have money. So, Bazungu, they are born with the money in the stomach.
And in blood, you.
No. Benange, God, who's teaching you this? A baby that comes out its mother's womb. It comes out holding
inheritance.
Money.
Yes.
Like
it's So wait. So don't return it. Don't. You first wait. First remove it. I tell you something.
This
you
is
put, yes, the money. So you see, let me tell you.
Classroom, we write down names. But the penny that writes names down is got from Canada.
Oh, okay.
So you pay the money for buying the pen.
Yes,
but I think I have a pen in my bag. Let me go.
No. Olabaye.
Anti kyembadde njagala omugamba nti zino ssente bazitereka mu Canada bwe tumala okukola registration the pen they use is buy from Canada.
So you're going to pay
okuwandiisa bakuyita batya
ono mufirika
sekanyonyola omukyala
You know, I've
senga kyakoze kimbasemu nyamba.
twagala ze tulabyeko.
You caught me when I was just going to the shops. There
Okay,
are
let's
some
conclude because I also have to go and look for the 1 million I'm going to save today. Yeah. So today, when you want, are you interested first of all?
But I think if you're going to look for how you're going to get the 1 million today, I can follow you. You show me, you teach me how to find the 1
But for
million.
now, yes, I'm going to teach you. We can even go together. But for now, are you interested? The question is, are you interested?
Of course, if I...
So don't add. You pay 100K for no.
You see this 100K, it's not just to throw like, no.
Are you going to throw that money?
But I need to eat. We need to cook. We need to
Don't worry, we are going to
Me,
work.
I talked to
First
Museveni.
save.
Oh,
Yes,
The
I talked to
president of
Museveni
Uganda.
because Museveni was my cousin in the 80s, yes.
he was, but he's not anymore.
Easy.
Easy. Seven is my cousin.
He's your cousin.
Yes.
I think this one fought the battle. That
You are
battle.
fighting?
Yes.
As a woman?
Yeah. You joke with my
Lero.
senga
In Lero.
in Woodwell.
Seriously?
Yes, I'm the one who beat the last gun.
Yes. And you see when you go there in
Actually,
the
you see, I fought. I'm the one who beat the last bullet.
You beat it.
Yes.
Yes.
Because as we are coming from the bush, I beat the last bullet. Poof! Then the
And the
government
war ended.
scatter. Then we entered.
and let me tell you another thing.
So
you see
I
Kololo
know.
grounds.
So when she tell you give money. I have
trust her.
I have the energy where I get it from.
And there is a picture
Ninamanyi wengajja.
Echibumbe
But it's
Kololo
what-
ground tukusomako like we run on her.
Do you listen? A woman called the Wandera Speciosa Kazibwe. Do you hear?
No.
You don't hear?
You can say that
Do-
word again?
Wandera Speciosa Kazibwe. Do you hear?
I've never heard.
Do you hear Janet Museveni?
Eh.
That is me.
You're Janet Museveni.
That joke is very audience. Omtote speedy.
To Jem.
You're not fearing.
Kati nenda tukole, let's do like this. You pay 100, we go because time is money.
But I'm just trying to understand
yeah,
something. If this is the cousin to Museveni, then why are you asking me for 1 million a day? And why are you
Are
living
we going to put that million
here?
in our pockets? Oh, and actually this thing benefits you, not
does?
us. Benefits you. Actually, we are just helping you.
No, but you see, I need to go. Let me just contribute something.
Okay.
Let me just contribute something because time is running. There we go. You put that towards the pen. You said the pen from Canada. You put that towards the pen.
Agamba kyoyo. Agambe ekichigwe.
This one, this is for my shopping. This one, you put it towards your savings group.
Sokolete.
This is a 10,000. 10,000. 10,000. Yeah.
Why? Is not what is that?
Nti twamugambye 10 atuwe 10 lya registration mbuli eryo lyalina.
Twogera amazima. My mother is sick.
Come, you go. You can go. Kanako kasi. Nako tukasini.
Simaze ebyange.
Senga mpaka 5. Mpaka 5 senga. Senga.
Oti.
Senga.
Mbera si.
Senga.
Embeera si nnungi.
Senga ni alese
nange ndekaamu. Leero omuntu ogambako naawe nti munna abadde talinamu yadde.
Senga ani alese ddiiro. Ebigambo byange byonna byonna.
Kumesigiri tuseeko ebijanjaalo.